So hello everyone, welcome to my channel Skill Learners. So today I am here to help you out how to install Python of latest version which is 3.10.7. We will also download pip installer and idle environment. So let's begin it. Simply we have to type Python on our Google and here python.org.com. Click on it and click on downloads, and you will see that in yellow text it is written download the latest version of Windows, which is Python 3.10.7. Just click here as save it. So as you can see that Python is successfully installed, which is 3.10.7. Let's check here. Add Python 3.10 to path and customize installation, and by default it is adding the documentation, pip installer, tk, tinter and idle and python suite, and more libraries are added by default only. Just click on next, and here is the path where your python file is going to be saved here. So just click on install here, and installation is in process. You can see the pop-up appeared, setup was successful. Let's close here and let's check that it is successfully installed or not. Just click on cmd, type, you can see that command prompt is showing that python 3.10.7 is successfully installed in my laptop. So let's check that it is working correctly or not. For this we have to open idle environment. So in idle, let's check it. Let's perform a simple program with a or simple calculation in Python. Let's type a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and c let be 3a plus. Let's print c. What is its output? You can see 2 plus 3 here is given 5. And let's print a text. A learner, sorry, and you can get here skill learner. So here you can see that Python pip installer and idle environment is successfully set up in your laptop. Enjoy it, and till then I will be updating my next video. Thank you so much.